Meaning of footer.
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 Footer. In web design, a footer is the section that appears at the bottom of a web page and typically contains information such as copyright notices, links to legal policies, contact information, or other detailed information. It serves as the final element on the page and provides users with navigational cues for a website. The footer can also include social media links, calls to action, or additional resources for users to explore. Overall, the footer plays an important role in providing users with a comprehensive and well-organized website experience.